The Fluke-106 Spanish Pesetas Digital Multimeter is a tiny titan. A pocket-sized powerhouse meticulously crafted to empower technicians and hobbyists alike. It is, in essence, an electrical divining rod, a tool that reveals the hidden currents and resistances that flow through our modern world. This diminutive device, with its sleek and ergonomic design, fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, a true testament to portable innovation. So, whether you are a professional electrician troubleshooting a complex circuit or a DIY enthusiast tinkering with a home project, this multimeter is your trusty companion, standing ready to provide accurate measurements and insights. Ultimately, it simplifies the intricate process of electrical diagnosis, making it accessible to a wider audience and bridging the gap between technical expertise and practical application. Furthermore, the Fluke-106 Spanish Pesetas Digital Multimeter is more than just a measuring instrument. It is a gateway to understanding, a key that unlocks the secrets of circuitry. Its intuitive interface and clear, backlit display make it easy to read measurements even in dimly lit environments, allowing for seamless operation in any condition. Moreover, it boasts a robust and durable build, capable of withstanding the rigors of a demanding work environment, and therefore it is an investment in both accuracy and longevity. In addition, its versatile functions, including AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurements, ensure that it can handle a wide array of tasks. Thus, this device is not merely a tool but a silent partner in your work, a reliable ally that ensures your safety and the integrity of your projects. Finally, the Fluke-106 Spanish Pesetas Digital Multimeter stands as a beacon of reliability, a lighthouse guiding you through the often turbulent seas of electrical troubleshooting. It is engineered with Fluke's legendary commitment to quality, a promise of precision and performance that has defined the brand for decades. Consequently, when you hold this multimeter, you are not just holding a piece of equipment, you are holding a legacy of excellence. In conclusion, its compact size belies its immense capability, proving that great things indeed come in small packages. Consequently, the Fluke-106 Spanish Pesetas Digital Multimeter is an indispensable asset for anyone who works with electricity. And it is a powerful symbol of how advanced technology can be distilled into a simple, elegant, and highly effective form. Pros: small in quality, perfect size to carry around, great compact meter, reduced space, reduced weight, fit the hand really nice, tests low resistance reliably, good cap. Tests, solid build, large, easy to read display, doesn't fluctuate readings. Fluke is a good company, best value in compact. Multi-tester cons: magnet strap not included, annual calibration is expensive, no light for use in the dark. Features: palm-sized ergonomic design, voltage, resistance, continuity, and capacitance, diode and frequency measurements, data hold function, Cat3 600 volts safety. Rating: input alert for incorrect connections, auto ranging, battery saving auto off feature. Large, easy to read display, compact and portable. The Fluke-106 is a compact, palm-sized digital multimeter designed for easy use and portability. It measures voltage, resistance, continuity, and capacitance, along with diodes and frequency. The device features a data hold function, auto ranging, and an input alert to warn of incorrect connections. For user safety, it carries a Cat3 600 volts safety rating, while a battery-saving auto-off feature extends its operational life. Its large, easy-to-read display enhances usability, making it a convenient tool for various electrical measurements. The Fluke-106 palm-sized digital multimeter is a highly portable, compact, and high-quality tool from a reputable company. Praised for its small size, reduced weight, and comfortable feel in the hand, it offers reliable testing for low resistance and capacitance, features a solid build, and has a large, easy-to-read display that provides stable readings. While it is considered an excellent value, some drawbacks include the high cost of annual calibration, the absence of a backlight for dark environments, and the fact that a magnet strap is not included.